Welcome! In front of me I have Haylou GST watch, and I'm gonna show you how to download additional watch faces on this device. Before we start, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Haylou Fun application. Once the devices are paired, we can open the Haylou Fun application on our phone. In the application, you should see the home page. Now tap on the My Smart Device. Select the Haylou GST from the list. On this page, tap on the dial setting. And here we have online watch plate. You can basically find the watch faces for our watch that are online. And we have quite the list. Find the watch face you like to use on your watch. For example, this one. Tap on it to select it. Oh, my bad. This one. And now we can tap on Online Sync Plate button to sync the watch face to our watch. So let's wait. And after a second or two, or a couple of seconds, the watch face should be synced to our watch and it should be applied on our watch, as you can see. And that's how you download additional watch faces on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.